So everything is okay. Let us make the issue more clear. Ever since the very beginning, there has been an ever-increasing anticipation that XRP will eventually hit a significant milestone. It was not only a potential that $10,000 would be spent, but it was also a given and an estimate. Those projections have recently been given a significant advance. When we talk about this image, we are talking about none other than Larry Finn of BlackRock approving it, and he is not only talking about a paltry $10,000 per XRP. My goodness, he is making it sound like a fundamental must. Before getting further into the topic of today, let us first have a little conversation about BOS. I do require some assistance. Simply clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell will allow you to become a member of our amazing community. Hold on, things are going to get better. Consider the possibility that financial powerhouses such as BlackRock and Vanguard are now seriously considering using XRP for their international operations. Concerning BlackRock, there have been rumors circulating. BlackRock is contemplating the launch of an exchange-traded fund ETF that is centered on XRP. You did hear it accurately, but there is more to it than that. Please be patient. You guessed it, Larry Fink is not content to stop there. He is now analyzing the massive real estate industry, which is currently worth $3 trillion, and speculating about what lies at the core of its future. The distributed ledger of XRP is prepared to tokenize all transactions, with an astonishing $1.2 quadrillion arriving from traders and international swaps through ISDA. The association has established itself to handle transactions using XRP as the medium of exchange. It's not only about $10,000 per XRP here, Ledger and Ripple, that's nothing more than a piece of cake. A value increase of up to $60,000 is something that we might be able to anticipate. The next segment is waiting for us, so let's get right to it. Larry is under the impression that BlackRock has just dropped yet another bomb. In addition to speaking, he is behaving as if Ripple and its digital asset are the only thing that exists. The XRP cryptocurrency is about to engage in a very important activity. Every facet is being marginalized by him. We have included a clip in our video that we have created. The focus will be drawn to that. As it appears that Larry is confirming BlackRock's approach to an XRP exchange-traded fund, we won't have to wait much longer than we already have. Here is the video clip that you have been anticipating. Waiting for the launching of the Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF is a good approach to legitimate it and raise the level of safety. If I may ask, are you planning to engage in another exchange-traded fund ETF? Take, for example, an exchange-traded fund ETF or an XRP. It is hardly a secret that you have Ether in circulation. Keep in mind XRP. Might you be able to respond to that? However, I am unable to perform what you asked me to do. My performance is satisfactory. That is not possible for me. Please provide me the wrap. Thank you. I am appreciative. Recent days have been marked by a whirlwind of anomalies in the world of cryptocurrencies, particularly with regard to this image of XRP that was posted on the well-known cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com, whose value skyrocketed to an insane $43,000 in the process. There is not a single instance of this happening. It is part of a bigger pattern in which the value of XRP has seen an unanticipated increase. To refresh your memory, we discussed a situation involving $7,000 worth of XRP at a prominent exchange just the week before. It is now Crypto.com's turn, and it would appear that these sudden rises in the value of XRP are beginning to occur more frequently on a number of different exchanges. On the other hand, let's move our attention entirely to something else, something that I discovered via considerable investigation, something that is as exciting and has nothing to do with BlackRock or the current surge in the XRP market. Next, we are going to discuss Gary Gensler, the well-known head of the Securities and Exchange Commission who succeeded Jay Clinton. There is a constant rating of XRP as a security by Gensler, which the majority of you are undoubtedly aware of. The most fascinating section is right here. Regards, Robert M. Gensler. Incredible similarities can be seen between Gary and his sibling in terms of age. Over the course of this time period, Robert served as the vice president of T-Price, a position that was extremely important to the company. On closer inspection, it becomes clear that TR Pricing is not like any other investing firm. A considerable interest in XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum is held by this company, making it one of the largest investors in the world. Therefore, this has a link that is quite interesting. But Gary Gensler was in control, and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) continued to consider XRP to be a security. It is commonly known that his twin brother, who is employed by a reputable investment firm, is a significant investor in RP as well as other form of cryptocurrency. This is a very interesting position. It raises a lot of questions and concerns. In light of the intricate dynamics at play in the world of cryptocurrency investments and regulations, it is fascinating to contemplate the prospect that Robert Gendler, vice president of TR Price, might possess distinctive perspectives. The expertise that Robert Gendler possesses regarding the potential for XRP to be equal to Bitcoin is unparalleled. This argument is becoming increasingly common when one considers the fact that the corporation has significant holdings in all three of these cryptocurrencies, despite the fact that the SEC has publicly denied any involvement in insider trading. A great number of studies and articles that have been conducted on the subject of insider trading and market manipulation have continuously brought attention to the questionable character of the operations of the SEC. It appears that there is a pattern forming. It would appear that newly appointed SEC officials are in the process of teaching their family members about the possibility of digital assets being declassified as securities in the near future. After then, these relatives make early investments in these assets, and when the asset is technically judged to be not a security, its value skyrockets. This enables these friends and family members to make a substantial profit by purchasing assets at a cheap price and selling them at a high price in this circumstance. Let's take a look at the likelihood that Robert and Gendler were privy to confidential information regarding the potential loss of the Securities and Exchange Commission from a lawsuit filed against XRP by Gary Gensler, Robert's brother. Due to the existence of such material, Congress might attempt to negotiate a settlement. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple Labs have been working together to make it possible for intelligent investors to acquire XRP at the optimal moment. However, as the price of the cryptocurrency continues to increase, buyers are changing their investments towards Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most crucially, XRP, which adds another chapter to this story. The cryptocurrency industry is buzzing with speculation that the price of XRP may potentially reach $10,000, $20,000, $20,000, or even $60,000 in the near future. More specifically from analysts that have been bullish on the asset, such as Jack the Rippler, who anticipates a significant increase in value that might surpass $589. This prognosis, albeit being daring, brings to light the growing attention and speculation that surrounds XRP and the potential it possesses in the cryptocurrency sector. Wall Street is competing with one another for a share of the lucrative XRP pie, and if my intuition is correct, the first substantial move will be made through the use of an XRP exchange traded fund ETF. On the other hand, let's look deeper into this development, because Crypt Basics has provided us with some exciting news. As a result of the statement made by an analyst that JP Morgan has made a substantial move into XRP, a former Ripple director has become interested in the cryptocurrency. My curiosity was obviously piqued by this finding, and it is something that we ought to get more information on. One of the most significant people in the cryptocurrency industry has stated that Ben Armstrong, who was once involved with the BitBoy cryptocurrency brand, has been accused of stealing cryptocurrency. Claims made by CLS regarding JP Morgan's apparent involvement in XRP were brought back to life, which caused controversy. In reaction to this, Armstrong, who had previously served as the director of Ripple, took action. It is his assertion that JP Morgan possesses a sizable amount of 7.5 million XRP coins at the present time. Armstrong continues by noting that this deal represented around 7.5% of JP Morgan's whole fortune. However, in order to put this into context, the math presented here appears to be completely off. There is a significant disparity between Armstrong's calculation and the overall assets of JP Morgan, which are estimated to be a staggering $3.89 trillion as of the year 2023. According to the current value of 7.5 million XRP, which is 4.46 million, this amount does not even come close to representing 7.5% of JP Morgan's fortune. Armstrong emphasizes the significance of the claimed strategy that JP Morgan is employing, as well as their secret repository of